Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and this is just going to be a really short video. I just wanted to touch base with everyone. I hope that everyone survived that hurricane. I know a lot of people have perished, and a lot of homes have been devastated. So hopefully this community is only mildly affected, but you know, when one hurts, we all hurt. So I just want to say that I'm sending prayers out to everyone. And yeah, I don't want to make this a long video. I may stay quiet and just keep an eye on what's going on. And yeah, there's a lot of other things going on, but the most important thing is everyone helping each other out and praying for each other and hoping for the best for all of you. I know what storms are like. I haven't been badly affected, but we had a tree down in our property years back, and from a terrible storm that uprooted it, and it was a very large tree. Fortunately, it just fell on the lawn and not on the house. So yeah, it was quite the job to clean it up, but nobody was injured and nobody was hurt. So that's always a blessing. So I hope that all of you are safe, that you have everything that you need. And anyway, keep in touch. Let us know how you're all doing. And if you know people that are affected, you know, send our prayers and whatever help we can out to them. Okay, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.